In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Google Drive. Sharing folders in Google Drive is a fantastic way to collaborate with others, whether they're colleagues, classmates, or friends. Let's dive right in and get started with the steps you'll need to follow. First, the journey begins by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look at the interface. On the left side, you'll see a panel with various options. Click on My Drive to see all the folders and files you currently have in your drive. Now, identify the folder you wish to share and right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad or touchpad, remember that a two-finger tap often performs the secondary click as well. This action will bring up a drop-down menu. Among the options in this menu, you'll want to look for and select Share. Selecting Share will open a new window, which is the core of the Drive sharing feature. Here, you'll notice a text field labeled Add People and Groups. Go ahead and start typing the email addresses of those you wish to share the folder with. If they're already in your contacts, their information might auto-populate, making this process even smoother. Once you've added the recipients, focus your attention on the drop-down menu to the right of each email address. This is where you can set the permissions. The default option is Editor, which allows recipients to do anything you can do, including sharing the folder further. However, if you want to maintain a little more control, you can change their role to Viewer or Commenter. Viewer allows them only to see the content, while Commenter lets them add comments without making changes. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to consider adding a message. This can be helpful to provide context or instructions for the recipients. There's a text field available if you'd like to include something personal, like a quick welcome or a note on what's inside the folder. Once you're satisfied with your settings and message, you'll notice a blue Send button at the bottom right corner. Clicking this will distribute your sharing invitation to the email addresses you've entered. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully shared a folder on Google Drive. It's a simple yet effective way to collaborate and share information with others. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to tune in for more tech tips that can simplify your digital life.